Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a character border interesting fact. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. We open VideoProc. Create a pure white layer. Click here to create a text layer. Then enter a space in the input box. Next, we click here to enter the settings interface. Find the background and change it to white. Then, we click down to return to the main interface. Click here to take a screenshot of the screen. In the pop-up folder, drag the image into VideoProc. Next, we can use the same method to create a green image. Delete the text layer on the timeline. Then, we drag the white image into the video track. Drag the green image into the overlay track. And let the image fit to the screen. Then in the preview window, we drag the border of the green image to make it slightly smaller than the white image and leave a border around it. Next, we take a screenshot of this image. After that, let's import the image into VideoProc and delete all the materials on the timeline. Next, let's import the gradient background video prepared earlier. Then, we drag it into the video track. Next, import the image just created into the overlay track. Find chroma key in the inspector on the right. Check Enabled to remove the green screen. Next, we click here to enter the motion editor. First, we add a keyframe on the far left, and then let the box fit to the screen. Next, we need to drag the box downwards until it completely exits the screen. Next, we click here to open the frame control. Increase the value of Y until the white border is fully displayed. Then we'll adjust the X value. Just add a minus in front of it. Then at 1 second, add a second keyframe. And open frame control again, remove the minus in front of the X. And change the speed to smooth speed on 1. And then at a 2 second, add a third keyframe. Restore the box to its original position. And similarly, we change the speed to smooth speed on 1. Click Apply to return to the main interface. At this point, we will find that the box is missing the top border from 1 to 2 seconds. We create a new overlay track. Then drag the white image into the overlay track. Use Ripple Edit to adjust its appearance time between 1 and 2 seconds. And then adjust the size in the preview window to fill in the top border. Next, let's import an image of a character. Create a new overlay track. Drag the character image into the new track. Adjust the size and position of the character so that the character overlaps with the bottom of the border and protrudes above the border. Next, click here to enter the color editor. Choose a mono filter for the character. Then, we decrease the values of contrast, highlights, and white. Next, enter the motion editor. Add a keyframe on the far left. And make the box fit to the screen. Then move it up until the border is completely out of the frame. At 1 second, we add a second keyframe. Restore the box to its original position, and change the speed to smooth speed on 1. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Finally, we add appropriate text. The character border entrance effect is now complete. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in your next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!